Hi everyone, my name is Gustavo Rojas and this is Hey Bartender. Please stay here, let me show you how to make the Hibiscus Gin Sour. Alright, so well, after everybody's having their cocktails and I film my videos, definitely this bartender is gonna take care of himself with something really good. So this is gonna be the gin sour with hibiscus. Vámonos with the 2 ounces of gin. Let's put 1 full ounce of hibiscus syrup. 1 full ounce of lemon juice. Campari, half of an ounce, you know, to help your stomach to digest everything. Egg white. Let's make a dry shake. Put some ice. Nice shake. Nicely chill. Coop. It looks perfect. The silly pin and your dry hibiscus. Salud, everyone.